have you ever wondered how your social media feed seems to know exactly what you're interested in? It's like magic, isn't it? But behind this digital wizardry lies the workhorse of our digital age, algorithms. These are simply sets of instructions that computers follow to perform a task. Imagine a recipe that your computer uses to whip up a perfect dish of data, tailored just for you. Algorithms are everywhere, from the search engine results that pop up in response to your queries, to the movie recommendations that seem to read your mind. They're the silent conductors orchestrating the symphony of our digital lives. But here's the thing to remember. Algorithms, like any tool, are neither inherently good nor evil. They're simply as beneficial or as harmful as the intentions of those who wield them. They're like a knife, useful in the kitchen, dangerous if misused. They're employed to uncover patterns in colossal chunks of data, to make our lives easier, more efficient. But they're not infallible. Sometimes they might draw suspect correlations. For instance, if a company finds deals closed during a new moon are 43% bigger than when the moon is full, it's not the algorithm's wisdom, but a curious correlation it has stumbled upon. So algorithms are all around us, silently shaping our digital experiences. But what happens when we add artificial intelligence into the mix? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of AI algorithms to find out. At their core, AI algorithms are like recipes. Just like a recipe gives you step-by-step instructions on how to make a delicious meal, an AI algorithm provides a computer with a set of rules to follow in order to accomplish a specific task. But here's where things get interesting. These algorithms go beyond merely following instructions. They have the remarkable ability to learn from data and improve their performance over time, a process known as machine learning. Think of it as a chef who not only follows a recipe but also tweaks it each time based on the feedback received. The chef isn't just cooking, they're learning and improving. Now, how does this learning happen? Let's say we have an AI algorithm that's designed to recommend movies. It starts with a set of data, like your past viewing history, ratings you've given, and your preferred genres. The algorithm then looks for patterns in this data, such as a tendency for you to enjoy action films, or a pattern of you watching comedies on weekends. As the algorithm processes more data, it gets better at predicting what you might like to watch next. It's not just following a prescribed set of instructions. It's actively learning from the data and adjusting its recommendations accordingly. And it's not just about movie recommendations. AI algorithms are influencing a wide array of fields, from predicting stock market trends to diagnosing medical conditions. They're learning from vast amounts of data, recognizing patterns, and making predictions that can have a significant impact on our lives. So, while algorithms may seem complex and enigmatic, the basic principle is simple. They're all about learning from data to improve over time. They're not just following instructions, they're adapting, evolving, and getting better at the tasks they're designed to do. In essence, AI algorithms are not just following instructions, they're learning and improving over time. AI algorithms, while powerful, are not without their limitations. Let's delve into the strengths and weaknesses of these intriguing mathematical instructions. On one hand, they have an uncanny ability to uncover unexpected patterns and correlations in a sea of data. They're the silent workers behind your social media feeds and movie recommendations, tirelessly sifting through vast amounts of information to bring you personalized content. But here's the catch. These algorithms don't possess an innate understanding of the data they process. They're like detectives, proficient in finding clues, but lacking the ability to reason or deduce. They can tell you that deals closed during a new moon are, say, 43% bigger than when the moon is full, but they can't explain why. They can't distinguish between correlation and causation. This is where the human touch comes in, to validate and interpret the results, to ask the why behind the what. Without this, we run the risk of drawing incorrect conclusions or making misguided decisions based on the correlations spat out by these algorithms. And then there's the issue of bias. Remember, these algorithms learn from the data they are fed. If the data is biased, the algorithm's output will be too. This is why it's crucial to ensure that the data used to train these algorithms is as diverse and unbiased as possible. But even with these challenges, the potential of AI algorithms is undeniable. They're helping us discover patterns in nature, predict trends, and even diagnose diseases. They're transforming industries from entertainment to healthcare, and their influence is only set to grow. Remember, AI algorithms are tools. They're only as useful or as accurate as the data they're trained on and the humans who interpret their results. So, Where does this leave us in the grand scheme of our digital future? As we gaze into the crystal ball of artificial intelligence, we see a promising future, one where AI algorithms are not just about crunching numbers, but about understanding us, the humans behind the data. This is the dawn of a new era, the era of common sense reasoning in AI. Common sense reasoning is a field of artificial intelligence that aims to imbue our machines with a more human-like understanding of the world. Imagine a digital assistant that doesn't just respond to your commands, but anticipates your needs. A smart home that adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. This is the potential power of common sense reasoning and AI algorithms. Yet, as with every innovation, it won't happen overnight. It's a journey of 1,000 steps, and each step is an algorithm. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly, creating and refining these algorithms to make our digital interactions more intuitive and more natural. But it's not just about making our lives easier. These advances in AI algorithms could revolutionize sectors from healthcare to education, from transportation to entertainment. AI algorithms with common sense reasoning could diagnose diseases before symptoms even appear, personalize education to each student's unique learning style, streamline our commutes, and even recommend the perfect movie for your Friday night in. Of course, as we've seen, AI algorithms are tools. They can be used for good or ill depending on who wields them. That's why it's crucial to have robust ethical guidelines and regulations in place as these technologies develop. We must ensure that as AI algorithms become more sophisticated, they are used to benefit all of humanity, not just a select few. As we continue to innovate, AI algorithms will become more integrated into our lives, making our digital experiences more personalized and intuitive. It's a brave new world out there, one algorithm at a time.